Thank you so much for joining us this afternoon. I'm meteorologist Eric Tallman on the Michigan News Channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. These are actually the forecast models for our severe weather outlook. We're going to be doing forecast models through April the 1st through April the 3rd, but we're going to begin with April the 1st. And these are the forecast models for April the 1st at 8 o'clock. And this is what you can expect. In the lighter green will be all general thunderstorms, non-severe, so there are chances of thunderstorms, but we're not looking at a big, wide range of severe weather. But there is the possibility of a marginal risk of severe weather right in that general area in the darker green, so there might be a chance of an isolated chance of severe weather in that area right over there, so we'll kind of keep an eye on that. We check the models every day, so we'll keep you posted on that. So unfortunately, we told you we thought there was going to be a break with the severe weather, but it's not ending anytime soon. So let's go ahead and take you flying and show you over here that there's actually going to be a chance of a marginal risk of severe weather in the darker shaded green. That's marginal risk category number 1. And then we have category number 2, slight risk of severe weather over in that area. And then all along in the lighter shader green, just thunderstorm chances, non-severe. So that completes this part of the forecast model, so please stay tuned. We've got more just ahead. After this, we're going to tell you the next 2 days what to expect. And thank you so much for joining us, and this is the severe weather forecast models for April the 2nd, 2017 at 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. And this is what we do expect. Marginal risk of severe weather possible, category number 1. So, like always, I always like to explain this to the viewers so they know that each severe weather, depending on the color, we go by category, and there's actually a number for that. So, marginal risk category number 1 is in the darker green. Category number 2 is slight risk, and that is in yellow, and that is number 2. So all in this area, so this is where all of the marginal risk of severe weather, isolated severe storms could pop up along here, and then a slight chance of severe storms could break out over here, all in this shaded yellow area. So if it's all in yellow, that means that you do have the potential of seeing some severe storms, and that's category number 2, and that's slight risk for severe weather. And then on top of that, we've got just variety of thunderstorm action that could possibly pop up across the Midwest. It's not severe. They're just going to be thunderstorms that will develop across the Midwest, but all of the severe weather is going to stay directly down to the south, and we're going to tell you what happens after that. Stay tuned. We'll have the rest of the models coming up on the severe weather outlook. Stay tuned. We'll be right back. Thank you so much for joining us. Once again, this is meteorologist Eric Tallman on the Michigan News Channel for Southeast Michigan, Detroit. This is our severe weather outlook for April the 3rd, 2017 at 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, and it looks like it's going to be quite interesting, so we're going to go ahead and take you flying down here and show you exactly what's happening. So we've got category 1, marginal risk, category number 2, slight risk, enhanced risk, category number 3. So all this general area all along here in the darker shaded green is marginal risk, and that's category number 1. All in yellow is slight risk, category number 2. So if you're all in yellow, that's category number 2. So that's slight risk. Enhanced risk is category number 3. That is in orange, and that is all in here. We're going to zoom in a little bit more, and we'll go over this one more time so you kind of understand what's going on and what to expect on the 3rd, because that's when things are going to get quite interesting around here, but we'll explain more later. So once again, category 1 is marginal risk. That is all around here, around this area. Slight risk is category number 2. That is all in yellow. That's right here. And then category number 3, enhanced risk, is all in here. That's all in orange. So it looks like it is probably going to be another active day for the next couple of days coming up. And like I say, kind of stay tuned with us. We update this daily, and we give you a daily severe weather forecast outlook in advance to tell you what's coming. And if the models change for whatever reason, we do let you know in advance and ahead of time, so that way you are prepared. So those people that are going to be impacted this week, once again, coming up for this coming week, need to be prepared for severe storms to erupt again in the south once again. And then along here is just going to be a variety of thunderstorms, non-severe in the lighter shaded green. Just thunderstorm potential, not any severe weather to be expected. But I do check the models daily, so we'll keep you posted on that. But this does complete the severe weather outlook for this week so far. Stay tuned for more. We'll keep you posted, and we'll have another look at the severe weather outlook again tomorrow and beyond. Stay tuned. We'll keep you posted. We'll let you know whose turn it will be after this stuff wraps up in the south. Stay tuned for more after this.